Most business owners assume they have a sales problem. Revenue isn't where they want it to be and growth has slowed. Profit feels under pressure, so they immediately jump to the conclusion that they need more leads. But after working with hundreds of SME business owners, we've found something interesting. The biggest barrier to growth is often not what the owner thinks it is. And today, I'm going to walk you through a real-world example of how CH4B helped a client unlock real growth by identifying the real bottlenecks holding the business back. The danger of solving the wrong problem is obvious. You invest time, money, and energy into activities that don't move the needle. You launch marketing campaigns, hire staff, buy software, and attend networking events. And then 6 months later, you're asking why growth hasn't happened. Well, it's because you've been treating the symptoms instead of the cause. Welcome back. We are CH4B Central Hub for Business. We're a human-powered growth ecosystem helping SME owners build profitable, secure, and fulfilling businesses. And today we're looking at how our business growth blueprint helps business owners identify constraints, create focused plans, and generate sustainable growth. The framework. Step 1. Identify the bottleneck. Using our growth scorecard and discovery process, we worked with the business owner to assess performance across the 12 principles of business growth. Initially, they believed their challenge was generating more leads, but the data told a very different story. The real issue was inconsistent sales processes and a lack of structured follow-up. More leads would have simply created more waste. Step 2. Build a focused growth plan. Rather than trying to improve everything at once, we prioritized the area that would create the biggest commercial impact. We clarified the sales process, implemented accountability measures, and defined key metrics. We aligned activity around measurable outcomes. Step 3. Support implementation. This is where many businesses struggle. Ideas are easy, but execution is harder. Through regular coaching, accountability, and access to specialized support where required, we helped the business turn plans into action. And that's where the results started to appear. Because growth rarely comes from a single tactic. It comes from implementing the right things in the right order. Is your business set up to grow or in survival mode? Take the 3-minute growth scorecard and find out. 12 simple questions, instant personalized growth report, and pinpoint blind spots across 12 proven principles. Discover where you're leaking profit, time, or opportunity, and get tailored next steps to cut costs and grow faster. Click the link in the description to take it right now, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.